Alright, we're pulling up to the place. The shop is called Cockpit Motorsports, right there. Cockpit Autosport, my bad. It's over here. What is this? I think this is like North Hollywood or something. But yeah, we're gonna go get his. We're gonna go pick up his Type 1s. Yep. Look at those wheels.
Should I get the receipt?
He'll probably remember you.
I need to get the receipt.
Oh well. Soon. Get that soon. Mr. Daniel's happy now. No more monster truck. If you go to races.
Wait, I can't hear you.
Alright, we just made it back. Look at then we still need to get the 98-201 headlights because we failed and got the old ones because we couldn't figure out the difference. Like, I don't know how to explain it. We bought these thinking they were the 98-201s when they weren't, because I don't know. But yeah, the Civic, that is suspension right there. Hold up. Gotta see my lights again. Shit. What? Trade what? Ha! Look at that. Damn. So nice. I want to get LEDs though. Probably some blue or whites. Because when you put the turn signals or whatever, they turn yellow. Which looks kind of weird. But damn. So nice. It's your video. You gotta talk.
Chill. It's your video, bro. I'm camera shy.
Alright, so today Daniel's unboxing his Function & Fork Type 1s. As you can see right there, Type 1 suspension for his GSR. And we're gonna be installing them probably, today's Monday, so we're probably gonna be doing it Friday and Saturday. Most likely Saturday. But yeah, I'm gonna just be filming the unboxing since he's been wanting the suspension for so long. Let's see.
Oh, what?
Comes with the manual, the coil adjustment things. But yeah, it comes with the things to adjust the things. Leave them here. Damn, what the hell? I didn't get these stickers.
Look at that.
Wow.
I'm gonna put that one in the car.
I only got one sticker out of my shit.
I
have the Type 2s and he gets better stickers? No, that's some bull. Oh, this one's mine right here.
Oh, fuck you. That's mine. That one's going in the car.
Get it low, get it right. Man, what the hell? I paid like $400 extra and all I get is that sticker over there. I don't know if you can see it.
Look at this. I'm gonna be a fucking labeler now.
Let me have your... Man, what the hell, man? Fucking Function, man. Look at this. I didn't get one like this. Mine was all cheap. Man, what the hell is this, man? Got my Type 2 straight from their website and I don't get all this cool stuff. It's not fair.
Because you didn't go to the JDM shop.
But this is it right here. Let me see. Put there. This is it right here. This is the back ones.
The phones are tolerant.
Right here. I'm gonna try to adjust them if I can. I'm not sure. But I don't know if he's gonna want to put them in how they're adjusted already. But here's the hardware. Hardware for the top bolts for the strut tower. Comes with this stuff. Look, this is the only sticker I got for my car, for my functional forms. I have my box right here, and I didn't get none of those other extra cool stickers. I got a cool box, but not a cool sticker. It says right there, type 2. Type 2. And his are type 1s. It says right there, type 1. But no, he gets cool stickers. I only get this.
I'm flexing for the snap ring.
Where's the? And then the ruler that he gave me for the coils. It's too much mess. I don't want to look for it. But it's this little cheap one that just says, it's like a little definition, a little blue ruler that says like, it's a little definition. But it's so cheap compared to this one. It's not fair, man. Where's the other stickers at?
Right here.
So I can show them. Got those right there. So yeah, this is the back and the front.
Yeah, you got that.
Is that everything?
Oh, and there's the bottom ones too.
And the bottom ones, and that's it. That's a nice sticker right there. Well, yeah, this is a quick, short little video of just unboxing the Type 1s.